Hello friends, Sushmita here, and today I am going to talk about nested if else. If within if. Here I have a question that is input three numbers and find the greater one. For this we have to input three numbers first and then find the greater number. First we take A to input first number, second we take B to input second number, and third we take C to input third number. Now let's start the nested formation of if. First we take A is greater than B or not. If yes, then it enter second if. Here A is checking by C. If it is greater, then print A, else print C. Now the outer if is on, and here the else part is contain another if B is greater than C. Why B? Because here we compare A with B, and for A we write already command, we can write commands already, and B was left over, and then print B, else print C. Now save the command and run the module. It's prompted for our first number. Let's put it 7 4 2. Then it prints 7. It's print 44, that is okay. And lastly we print display 11, that is correct. So that's it. Hope you understand the code. If you have any question, write in comment box, and see you in next video.